Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable tax loss harvesting in Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable tax loss harvesting in Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, begin by logging into your Schwab account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the home page. From there, select Intelligent Portfolios to access your investment account. In your Intelligent Portfolios dashboard, look for the option labeled Features or Settings. Click on this option to explore available features for your portfolio. Locate the Tax Loss Harvesting feature within the Settings menu. If it's not already enabled, click on the toggle switch to turn it on. Read through the information provided about how tax loss harvesting works. Make sure to review the benefits and potential impact on your taxes. Once you understand the process, confirm your selection to enable the feature. After activating tax loss harvesting, your portfolio will automatically identify opportunities to realize losses. This will help offset any taxable gains you may have accrued. You can monitor the progress of your tax loss harvesting by checking your account statements. Keep in mind that tax loss harvesting is conducted automatically, so no additional actions are. To stay informed, regularly check for updates or notifications from Schwab about your portfolio. If you have questions, consider reaching out to Schwab's customer support for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled tax loss harvesting in your Schwab Intelligent Portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.